Hey, you caught me drinking my decaf coffee. Ramblin' Ron here. Well, it's church day, May 17th, 2026. What's my ramble today? Democrats' heads are exploding. The kings of gerrymandering got out gerrymandering by you know who? The Republicans. For years, the Democrats always outsmarted the Republicans. I don't know why. Maybe they just don't think that way. Well, it all changed when Donald J. Trump entered the picture, ran for president, became president. Now he's president again. Donald is a pretty smart guy. He's smarter than all the Democrats combined. Anyway, looks like we could pick up 14 House seats in the midterms. Everybody's talking about the midterms. It's coming in November. Normally, the team that's out of power wins. Not this time.